Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. So let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! The pilot brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and lead us in. Others, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the rookie. Gunship. Hold that. Things are getting too hard. We've got to get out of here. Thanks. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Look! Let's get out of here! Great job, my friends! You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now have